Okay, now we're back at the Bess tester. Power it up, put it in test mode. Now all I did was take the cleaver and wipe the Sharpie off of it. Now I'm going to just try, push down. Oh, okay. Now 168. Check our trusty chart, and between 100 and 200, this is ridiculously sharp, as I said. 80 or so is a double-edged razor blade. Say 150 to 200 is a utility razor blade. So essentially, we've really sharpened this cleaver. Now, there's one other trick that I want to try. We've used simply the Tormac leather wheel with Tormac store-bought paste. We've done nothing else. 2 light passes. Now, this is a homemade strop. On this homemade leather strop, this is the suede side. I have distributed a small quantity of 2.5 micron diamond grit on this, and we're going to make a few passes. Now, I've made my own paste, or actually it's an emulsion. It's isopropyl alcohol 99% with some 2.5 micron diamond, and I made it too thick, so it's not atomizing correctly. But what I want to do is just see if we can measure the effect of this 2.5 micron grit. Now I've lost count, but from the color change on the strop, I'm estimating that we have taken a little bit of metal off. I'm going to break out a new test probe. Okay. Insert it. Center it as best I can. Line it up. Now 231, which is beyond excellent, okay? You can get a knife down below 100, but you need to work on it. And this is for my own use in my own kitchen, and I am very happy with this. It is probably a little bit sharper than it was new. And it was very sharp new, trust me. So here we go. Haven't really done anything to it. Oh. No, sorry, I don't know what I've done, but nothing great. Now, 3 things could happen. No change. Oh, that was it. I did break through that. I'm going to retest. Try and be less hasty. If that result was correct, and there's no reason that it wouldn't be, it's telling me that the strop with the diamond paste had a 182. Well, it did something. That's incredibly sharp as well. I don't know, but I think we're dealing with a sharp cleaver. I need to work on the diamond honing a bit more, or diamond stropping, but let's chop some veg and see what happens.